Well, guys, right there is all the split season wood ready to roll. Then we got what's ricked up right here. I got my cherry in the back in the pen. First time in a long time the center bay is empty of rounds. We got these two big monsters I use them as seats. But later tonight and tomorrow this will be filled back up with seasoned rounds. So if you need firewood, hit us up on our homepage at Todd Lewis or Lewis's Lawn Care. We will get you firewood. We can deliver it by the truckload, or you can come pick it up by the truckload. Let us know.